All right, so we're back to take a look at the account management for this small cash account. Looks like our dates, let me get a pen here, from January 1st to January 31st. You'll notice at the start of the month, well, which the end of the month would have been December 31st, 2021, we had cash value, and at the end of January 2022, we had cash value there. That's meaning that we invested in stock. So we put in approximately $3,943 into stocks. Okay, so what's our target amount each month? 1%, right? So what we take here is this number. And you see, well, you didn't make that 1% per month. No, yeah, we did. You need to follow along and stop listening to people online, especially people like me that tell the truth, you know. Let's see here. So what we're looking for, we come down here to dividends, right? We have 163.52. And we're going to search down here, and this is realized and unrealized performance gains. Right, so we come down here to the bottom, we see in the total column right here, we have a positive 181.96. We come back up here, 81.96. Get our calculator out here. So 163.52 plus 181.96. Okay, come up with 345.48. Okay, so that's the combination of profits from trades and profits from dividends. So now what you do is you take, like every time before, we take this number here, right, and divide it into your profit. This is going to give you your percentage profit per month, approximately. So 345.48 divided by 30.0145.54. Okay, so you get a 0.0115. We multiply that to get our percentage, 1.15. So that's equivalent to 1.15%. So we did fairly good in a month that was coming down. So if you multiply that by 12, just to kind of project that in the future, that's 13.81% on a portfolio that's under 100,000, right? And if you follow along with the trades that we're doing, you want to make sure that you're following the rules and not leaving yourself exposed or taking too much risk in any one position. This is how you achieve these type of numbers. Now this kind of, like you're asking, like, what's this mean then? 0.5%. Well, that's the overall percentage of the move. So if you take this, right, this is the overall account amount. And if it was down, it could actually go negative, but you could still be positive on how much money you're making. This is the trick. And when markets start coming down, everybody's so keen on getting out. Why? Because they're in growth stocks. They're not getting paid. They think that stock markets are going to go up for the rest of time. But we're just in an odd situation right now, and it can change. I have got no crystal ball. But we subtract that, so it's a $15.84. You see it right here, gain overall on the entire account. When you break it down, what do? You divide that by your initial number, right? 0.1454. Oh, what did I do wrong there? Somehow or another, I got the calculator doing something wrong. Divided by 30.01454. Multiply that by 100. There you go. There's your 0.5% gain. You see that? So we multiplied it by 100 to come out with 0.05%. That's basically what you get in the bank if you just left it there. But what you're actually doing is you're making this money here. This is unrealized and realized. So you have to know what your realized versus your unrealized. See, unrealized, here's your column, right? So we have on the total account, we have an unrealized loss, right, of 28. It's actually 26 here. But unless you sell it, you'll never realize that loss. So what do? You hold it, right? Because why? You're getting paid dividends. This is this amount right here. We're doing this during live market hours, so you're going to hear some stuff maybe in the background. But there again, it's important to remember what you're making per month. A lot of people, oh yeah, I'm making 20%. And I was like, are you really? Understand your numbers, write them down, look at your portfolio, no FOMO, remember the rules, be patient, and you'll consistently pull in the money. At the end of it, who cares what your unrealized loss is? Because if you can make 13% per year, right, and your portfolio keeps growing, so if you take 72 divided by 13, it's going to take you 5.5 years. So at the end of 5 years, if you've doubled this amount, just starting at this date here at $30,000, so in 5.5 years, if you can average 1.15% per month, which is 13 point whatever percent, 5.5 years to double your money. Okay, and this is not adding any money. We're not adding any money to this account. This is strictly for educational purposes to show you that you can grow money with not adding money. But you got to understand how to manage your portfolio, how to manage money. The most important thing is knowing how to manage money. Picking the stocks is the easy part. You just don't buy any stocks or any companies that don't pay you dividends. If you want to take a risk on it, that's on you. Buy Tesla, buy Google, buy, every company that doesn't pay. They're considered growth stocks. If they stop paying dividends because they were paying dividends at one time, we no longer have them. Or if they're in our portfolios, we hold on to them. Why? Because, or chances are, maybe it goes out of business. I don't know. Nobody has a crystal ball, but maybe it goes higher. Comes back, maybe it starts paying dividends. I've seen this over the years where companies stop paying dividends. Boeing's a great example of something that stopped paying dividends, and maybe they start paying dividends here in the next couple of months. Who knows? But it's a pretty high dollar stock. Now, of course, we don't have it in our portfolios right now, but if it shows up on our scans, we sure as heck will put it back in there. Anyways, that's it for January. Looks like February's kind of starting off a little rocky, but because you stick with the rules, you should be able to get close to that 1%. Don't look at 1% as being a small number in this game, especially when you're not taking any losses. But where you're going to be taking your losses is if you start putting in those stop losses because you've gone way too big. So make sure you pay attention to your rules. I know some of you are new to this. If you have questions, just give me a shout. It's best just to do it through email. I don't give out a phone number, but we're just trying to help everybody understand how to make money in this market. Who knows if it comes down tomorrow? Maybe it goes straight up tomorrow. Who knows? Maybe it stays the same for the next 6 months. You just keep pulling that 1.5% at it. So you're a half year closer to doubling your money. If you want to put more money in it, you can put more money in it. I'm not telling you you can't. I'm just telling you, if you don't understand the rules and you don't understand the money management risk end of things, you're going to lose money in the market. Anyways, that's it for me today. Have a great day.